This couple was referred to me by another client. They were buying a beachfront condo in Fort Lauderdale. And they had a clear goal: turn this condo into their dream home. The 1,800 square foot corner unit was in an excellent location. It had beautiful views, and the condo itself had strong potential. But the existing layout did not match the way they wanted to live. They wanted significant changes to the kitchen, the bathrooms, closets, living area, and the laundry room. In a single-family home, many of these changes would be pretty straightforward, but in a condo, the process is much different. Condo renovations come with restrictions that homeowners don't always expect. You have neighbors living above you, neighbors below you. Work hours are limited, material deliveries, elevator access, and permitting can all affect what can realistically be changed. The goal was not just to design what looked good, but the goal was to create a plan that could be approved, permitted, and be built. Z and Lori knew what they wanted the finished condo to look like and feel like. The challenge was to figure out how much of that vision could work within the rules and the physical limitations of the building. That's where many condo renovations go wrong. A homeowner may want to move the bathroom, relocate the laundry room or the kitchen, make changes to the layout that make perfect sense visually. But when building codes and HOA restrictions are considered, some ideas need to be adjusted. This doesn't mean that the dream has to disappear. It means that the dream has to be shaped into a buildable plan. So we started with a pre-renovation project review to discuss their goals, their budget, timeline, and the major changes that they want to make. From there, we moved into pre-renovation consulting. We worked through each of the major areas of the condo and balanced their vision against the building's restrictions. When we found a limitation, we addressed it early. This made the process much easier. Instead of discovering a problem after the drawings were completed or after the construction started, we could make partial adjustments during planning. The conversation became very simple. Here's the idea, here's the restriction, here's the best modification. That approach helped us to avoid wasted time, design time, and not create unrealistic expectations and unnecessary redesign. So once the main design direction was clear, then Z and Lori approved the plan. I brought in the architect to prepare the drawings for permitting. This sequence was important. The architect was not being asked to guess at the construction limitations or design in a vacuum. By that time, the major goals and restrictions had already been discussed. That helped to create a more practical path from concept to drawings, from drawings to permit, and from the permit to construction. After the drawings were completed, we submitted them for permitting and moved forward with the construction after approval. The construction process moved steadily, largely because the preparation had been done in advance. The timeline mattered because Z and Lori were renting another place to live in during the renovation, and the delays could have created additional inconvenience and expense for them. This project started in early 2020, at the beginning of COVID-19. Like many projects at the time, we ran into some material delays, especially with certain finish items. Fortunately, most of the delays were manageable, and primarily because we had planned this properly before the construction started. Z and Lori also hired an interior designer to help with paint selections, millwork details, colors, furniture, and final design touches. And this was a great use of the design role. The construction planning, layout permitting, and buildability issues were first handled. Then the interior designer helped refine the look, feel, and the finish details. And this made the condo look like a home. The renovation was completed successfully, and the condo became the home that Z and Lori had envisioned when they bought it. They were very happy with the finished result, and we recorded a video testimonial. You can check out Z, and he said it best. You did it. You built our dream home. The project shows why condo renovations need careful planning before design and construction move too far ahead. In a condo, the question is not only what would you like to change, but the better question is, what can we realistically change within the building rules, structure, plumbing restrictions, electric, a long list of restrictions in condos. But anyway, by answering those questions early, homeowners can avoid wasted design time, permitting problems, and unrealistic layouts, construction delays, etc. The best condo renovations don't happen by accident. They happen because somebody takes time to plan it properly.